evaluate the integral of 3 over x squared plus 4x plus 29 dx. So we try to complete the square of the denominator. So since there's constant, we can put it in front of the integral. So I'll have 3 integral of 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 29 dx. So how to complete the square of the denominator? So we have 3 integral of 1 over x squared plus 4x. So we add a constant to complete the square of x plus 29 and then minus that same constant. So how to find that constant here? We divide the coefficient of x, which is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. And then you square your answer. 2 square is 4. So therefore, we will add 4 and subtract 4 at the same time. So we can now factor this trinomial. So we factor this is equal to the square root of x squared, that's x. Copy the sign of the middle term positive and get the square root of the constant term that we add. The square root of 4 is 2. And then quantity squared. Okay, plus subtract 29 minus 4, 25. So we can use the formula for integral shielding inverse trigo here, which is the integral of du over u squared plus a squared is equal to 1 over a times arctangent of u over a plus c. So if we try to pattern the given integral to the standard formula, we can have our u equal to x plus 2, and we can have our a equal to what? So we make 20 we transform 25 into exponential expression with the base of 5 raised to the second power. Or you get the square root of 25, that's 5, then square it. So therefore, the value of a will be equal to 5. So if we differentiate u du, derivative of x plus 2 dx, and then we substitute. So we'll have 3 integral of 1 over x plus 2 is equal to u raised to the second power plus 5 is a squared. And then the dx is du. So therefore, the value of this integral is equal to 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. And then substitute the values of a and u. So I have 3 times 1 over a, which is 5, times arctangent of u, x plus 2, x plus 2 divided by a, which is 5 plus c. Or we can have 3 times 1/5, 3/5 arctan of x plus 2 over 5 plus c. So this is the final answer.